Right now, most developers are using one of the most powerful engineering tools ever built, like a smarter search engine. Claude is not a chat assistant. It is an engineering platform waiting to be deployed. Most developers are using about 5% of what Claude can actually do. The problem is that most courses stop at the chat box and don't teach you how to integrate Claude into CI/CD, servers, or GitHub Actions. The gap is widening every week. Teams that are deploying Claude code are reviewing PRs and running refactors automatically. AI workflow fluency is becoming an expectation in senior engineering roles. The solution is a hands-on course that goes from zero to production-ready AI workflows. Part 1 focuses on Claude code, Part 2 on Claude skills, culminating in a capstone project. You will build and deploy 9 real artifacts, including a persistent Claude context file, a batch code-based processor, and a self-healing test pipeline. In Module 3, you will build a self-healing test pipeline. It will generate tests, run them, read the failures, and patch the code in an automatic loop with zero human intervention. Every lesson is structured with a concept, a hands-on task, the code you write, and the expected output. This approach ensures verifiable success criteria every time. After this course, you will move from prompting in a chat box to deploying Claude code in headless mode across your codebase and shipping packaged Claude skills your whole team can install. Join the founding cohort and gain 30 hours of hands-on content, 9 deployable artifacts, and a capstone requiring an over 80% evaluation pass rate. Enrollment is zero risk with a 30-day guarantee. The curriculum is a clear path from setup to shipped. You will progress from environment setup and core commands to building agentic workflows, custom MCP servers, and Claude skills. The course includes approximately 30 hours of content and 9 production-grade artifacts with all source code. You receive lifetime access and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Start building production-ready AI workflows today. Enroll now to receive 9 production artifacts, lifetime access, all source code, and a 30-day guarantee. Join the SystemDR community. Find the course, website, and email contact information here. Thank you for your time. Let's build something production-ready together.